got butter, we've got sugar. Let's bake some fun. Add some eggs and a bit of flour. We'll soon be done. The pastries are warm, dear. They smell so divine. Your friends will just swarm here. It's so sublime. Oh, hi, everyone, and welcome to the Baritone Baker. My name is John McKee, and I've been working as an executive pastry chef for most of my career, as well as a Le Cordon Bleu bacon and pastry instructor. My goal is to share with you many of my techniques and recipes to help make baking fun for you. With videos and one-on-one courses, I will guide you along the way. So come and join me in the kitchen, and let's go bake some fun.